What's up, YouTube? Some CVET here. Hey guys and gals, it's 18:01 or 6:01 p.m. for you non-military time people. This little thermostat, I have it in my project Jeep, and this is before we put the insulation in the roof stuff. So yeah, just wanted to show you at 6:01. It is 99 degrees in here. I don't know if this thing goes up any higher. It's supposed to be the same temperature outside tomorrow, so I'm going to put a another digital thermometer here just to check it out. But 6:09, the shadow has gone over. The vehicle's still in the shade. I just got in here, sat down real quick to run this. It's an old, like I said, old thermostat. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now without the insulation in here. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Art Houston CVET. Simplify, Godspeed, and talk to y'all later.